CopyCat AI review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this software called CopyCat AI. So right now we are on the sales page. How do you come to the sales page? For that you will find a link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab CopyCat AI copy here. Click on that link, then come to the sales page right here, and at the top you will get a discount coupon of early 10% off. So try to use this coupon to see how much discount you can get. And if you want some bonuses, then make sure you watch the video till the end, because I do not talk about the bonuses in the beginning. So we'll discuss how to make money online and the bonuses in the second part of my video. So keep watching the video till the end. And if you want my software, because I have launched a few software for affiliate marketers on Warrior Plus, for that you can click on more here, and it says check out all my Warrior Plus products. You can click on that link and you can check out my software as well. I have explained this in the end of this video. Okay, so you will see about these software, how do they work in the end. So make sure you watch the video till the end. And on the sales page it says breakthrough AI tech clones any winning ad sales page or offer and rebuilds around your product in 3 clicks. So I think my software called Launch to Profit AI here, it does the, I guess, same thing or better than this, because I don't know what Copy AI actually does inside the dashboard, because they have not given the demo video so far. So for example, you see demo video, there's no link, it's blank. And then here again, if I click on demo video, it just says coming soon. And this product is going live today. So I hope that when the product goes live, they'll update the sales page and the demo video should be there. Otherwise, right now, I don't have anything to show you, or nobody can see how this product dashboard looks like, what it does. But in theory, what does it do? It says you can paste a Facebook or TikTok ad and watch AI decode the hook and rewrite the script for your product. Paste any sales page link, watch AI reverse engineer the structure and rebuild the copy. Offer, paste your any offer, watch AI break down the stack, bonuses and pricing, and builds your version. Okay, so again, we do not have any idea because we don't have a demo video. So I can't show you inside the software because there's no demo video available. But at the same time, if you want to generate some affiliate marketing campaigns, my recommendation will be Launch to Profit AI. You click on this link here, open this, and you will see the full demo video for Launch to Profit AI. It generates affiliate campaigns, ad copies, this copy, that copy. So you can go and watch the demo video on these pages. We have explained this in the end of this video, so don't worry, watch the video till the end. So going back further, so whether you want this thing called CopyCat AI or not, so whether you want this CopyCat AI or not, if you want my bonuses, then you have to go and grab this using my link below, and that's how you can get my bonuses. But you don't know what my bonuses are right now, so for that you have to watch the video till the end. Okay, so let's get back at the bottom, and let's go through some question answers. So do I need to use anything, download anything? No. Do we have to pay a monthly fee? Not right now. What are the minimum experience? Nothing. Can you guarantee that I will make money? No one can. What happens if I don't see results? They have guaranteed 30 days money back. Results means what? Results means you put in a sales page and it gives you a new sales page. That is a result. Okay, so you can't say that I don't get results, because result is not about only making money. Result is about software doing its job. That's it. Is CopyCat AI compatible? It is. Is training support included? They say it is. You have to believe them as per your own decision making. How do I benefit from the launch discount? So go and try that early 10 coupon code and go and grab the copy. Whether you want this or not, if you want my bonuses, you have to go and buy using my link below, or else you can go and buy my own products. Okay, so do we have some OTOs? I guess we do. So let's check. So this is the funnel, OTO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Okay, so let me see if I have some OTOs right here for you. So how many? 6 of them. Okay, so OTO 1 is unlimited, I guess. They have not explained, but whatever. I guess we are done. So you can pick and choose. If you want everything unlimited, then you have to go and upgrade at least to OTO 1. Okay. Anyway, so CopyCat AI, it does, I guess, few things, but we don't know what those things are. But we have to go by the theory that they are going to, convert some sales pages, copies, this and that. Okay. So I guess that's all I have to show you, because I hope that they will update the demo video by the time product is live, because this is launching in just next few hours. Okay, But if you want only some content creator software, you can try my software, which we have discussed, Launch to Profit or whatever. Okay, so you will know everything when you watch the video now till the end. So subscribe, like, and share, and keep watching the video if you want to know my bonuses and how to make money online. And if you want to buy my own products, just watch the video till the end. Alrighty, humans. So we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for review to profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for review to profit AI. Okay, to know how this works, but it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab Kishacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours, 9 minutes. And in this training, you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you. Okay. Then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is. Okay. And if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading if you want. You can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay. Second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all. This is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this if you are serious about making money on YouTube. This is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay. What else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me when before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kiss tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus. Okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling kiss tracking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well. Okay, but if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus. Okay, so how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically. Okay, otherwise you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually. Okay, and if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it. Otherwise, do not buy. Okay. So what I mean to say is, buy only if you want it. No refunds. Okay. Make up your mind, then only buy from me. Right. So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value. Okay. I told you I sell this separately, I sell this separately. Okay. So maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, 10, 12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus. Okay. So only buy if you want it. Don't buy if you're a refund seeker. Okay. Anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.